Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to easily create 301 redirects in WordPress. Let's get started. In order to do that, just scroll down right here until you can see the option that says plugin. Hover to that and click on this add new plugin. Once you have done that, you should be able to see the plugin marketplace of WordSouth or WordPress, so just wait for this right here. From in there, just click on search plugin and then just put in here the plugin, which is 301 redirect. And then once you have added it, you can see this 301 redirect by Web Factory. So head over and click on this install now, and then this will install itself. And once it's been installed, we can head over and then just try to activate it. So head over and click on the activate option right here, and then this will activate itself. As you can see right now, it's been added, and just head over and click on this manage redirects right here in order to open this particular plugin. And then from in there, you can see this. So just choosing here 301 and you can customize its redirection. It can be a post, page, media, or anything that you want. It can also be customized wherein you can just put in here the link. It can also be not a link on your actual website or a valid YouTube link or any link that you want for that. And once you're done with that, just head over and click on this save right here in order to save all your progress. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.